It's Tuesday afternoon, November 8th, and I'm here at the Occupy Waterford camp on the quay beside the clock tower.
You know, the whole point of the Occupy movement is to raise awareness more than anything else. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that still don't know what it's all about. It's a people's movement. It's a worldwide movement. It's over 2,100 camps globally. Ireland has close to 10 of them already in the last couple of weeks. We started last Tuesday, so we have our first week anniversary here today, and we just raised the tricolour.
Saturday, November 12th. I spent the afternoon at the Occupy Waterford camp. During the course of the afternoon, there was a steady stream of visitors to the camp. Most claimants spoke to the group, wanted to know more about it, and offered their support.
No work today. No work today. I don't mind. I can do it.